Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to convert USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now you will be led to this home page. There you can see the option of more. You can simply tap over there. Now you can see the option of swap under the markets and trade. You can simply tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. Now here simply select the token that you want to swap. Tap on the token in the from. Now here you can see the option of USDT. Simply tap over there. After that you need to tap on the token 2. Here you need to choose the option TON. If you don't see the option, you can simply search over here. Now simply tap on it. Now here you need to enter the amount. After the amount is entered, you can see the rate over there. If you have sufficient balance, you will be seeing swap option. You can simply tap over there. And this is how you can convert USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.